So today I'm talking about a flawless face. Who wouldn't want a flawless face? Well, we're gonna start with primer. Foundation primer is your first step to a flawless face. So I actually just applied my TimeWise Age Fighting 3D Moisturizer, and now I'm ready to prime my skin with that wonderful feel of that primer, which will help your foundation stay on and just give you some moisture. Hollywood secret. Well, I actually have some redness in my skin, and so I'm gonna be demoing the new At Play Color Corrector Wipe Red. And so you'll see I have some redness in my skin. That's just a natural redness I've always had. You can use this on blemishes, rosacea, sunburn, any red areas. Green will always counteract red. So what I do is I actually mark it on the areas I need to fill in. Around my nose I have some redness, and mainly on my cheeks. Okay, and I'm gonna show you the before and after. Now you'll actually blend this in. For larger areas, you're gonna blend with a blending brush, foundation blending brush, or a sponge. So you actually just get this a little damp, and I'm gonna use it to actually blend in my red. And you don't have to get it to disappear, but you do want that pressed in, hiding some of that redness. For the small areas, I'm gonna use more of a stippling effect and cover up that redness on my nose. Okay, and once I feel like I've gotten that blended as much as I can, you're already gonna notice on my skin that I got rid of a lot of that red already from the green coloring stick, right? Now my skin is ready for foundation. And so I'm choosing today to use my blending brush, which is a great blending brush that gives you an airbrush look on your face with foundation. And I'm using my 3D Matte Wear Foundation, which is anti-aging. Also gives you a flawless finish. Makes your skin look really great, really smooth. So I'm gonna put that on. I'm gonna dot my areas that I like to blend. Again, you don't need very much foundation. The brush will actually help you use less foundation. Just keep your fingers clean. It's the cleanest form of application so that you don't have any oils on your skin from your fingers. It gives you just a really flawless finish. Very natural. I love how that feels. You can also use this with CC cream. CC stands for Color Corrector, and that will give you a great coverage as well. Very forgiving, has SPF in it. And I like how that finishes as well. This will just give you a little bit more coverage than what the CC cream would. There, isn't that amazing? So I have just covered up all of that redness in my skin that once was there and now is gone. And then I like to personally finish with some translucent powder. Translucent powder gives you a porcelain finish, wipes away any shine you might have, kind of like a setting powder all over. Feels really, really nice. And then I always like to use, of course, I like to bronze. I like to have a little bit of color. So I like to do bronzer on the high points of my face and kind of warm my skin, make it look like I've just been kissed by the sun, and really helps give your complexion a little bit of color, okay? And then I like to use the cheek color brush that you can do contouring, highlighting with, and cheek color. So I just put that on my cheekbone just to bring a little bit of color back. Okay, not a whole lot, but I like to use my highlighter above. You can highlight at the cheekbone, your forehead, a little bit area there. So those are all of my tips to a flawless face and my before and after. Thank you so much for watching.